Ever since the day that you went away.
Alright, so hey guys, I actually made an intro for this video I just filmed, but I don't know where it went. I don't know if it just didn't film it or if it got lost, but this is the intro. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the video you're watching for today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah. Clarky. Oh. Okay, that's what you have to say. So now, since that is all cleaned and everything's wiped down, I'm gonna go ahead and move to the bathroom and wipe everything down in there that needs wiped down. And then I'll get back to the other rooms and just start vacuuming and sweeping and mopping and finishing up laundry. guys, so I'm back and I'm currently on my second load of laundry, and I finished sweeping the bathroom and the kitchen, and now I just have to sweep the living room, and then I have to vacuum off the couches. But that's about it, and then I also have to clean off my makeup vanity, but I might get myself ready for the day. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, and then I'll have to clean up the room and then help unpack his stuff in there probably. And that's about it. So I'm probably gonna make myself some iced coffee real fast. I was gonna have a cup of hot coffee, but I feel like iced coffee just settles a little better with my stomach. And I don't want to get like shaky or anything, but I probably still will. But I'm just gonna get my regular Starbucks cup like usual. But this time I actually got some different coffee. I've had this one before, but I also got, let me be right back. I got my iced coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and probably finish cleaning. I might actually get ready for today because I kind of want to take some photos. It's kind of cloudy outside though, so I don't know. But I think oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably. What? This isn't for you. He wants my iced coffee so bad. Every time I drink iced coffee, he wants some. You can't have any. No. He's so cute. Yes, he's so cute. And so is Rosie. But yeah, he always wants my iced coffee. I don't know why. Alright, so I know you can't really see me, but I'm back now, and I'm just going to put up all his stuff that's over there on the ground. I'm going to put up in the closet. So yeah, let's get started.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
guys, I'm back. So I actually got ready for the day and I finished cleaning. Now I'm just doing laundry still. I'm washing all the bedding and I'm about done with it. So that's all I really have left to do for the day, and I've been watching YouTube videos, and this is my outfit of the day if you guys were wondering. So I just got this dress on, and the dress is from Walmart, and I'm just wearing this little headband because it kind of matched a little bit. And then my makeup is pretty natural. I wore like really natural lashes. And yeah, that's it. Taylor says I look like a grandma in this dress, but I don't care, oh well. Yeah, that is it, and that's probably gonna be it for the video. I know, I kind of suck, but oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!